Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to enter location Microsoft Bing in computer. So how to enter location Microsoft Bing in computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Bing via the browser on your computer. Here it is on the initial Microsoft Bing display. To enter a location in Microsoft Bing, just point the cursor to the top right of the screen. Tap the three-line icon here. A scrolling menu will appear. Select the Settings menu. And select the Location menu. Well, here it is in the Location menu. Here there is a location input. Type the location you want to enter. For example, I will enter the location, New Zealand. After finishing entering the location, tap Save. Below. So the function of entering a location in Microsoft Bing allows for more relevant searches based on the user's area and helps display results such as nearby places, weather, local news, maps, and surrounding services, so that the information provided is more accurate and according to needs. So that's it, tutorial how to enter location Microsoft Bing in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.